Next is swing. The swing can be used to animate a regular swing. Usually we use this option for rotation, but you can add it to other properties too. Okay, first here select your property. Now I want add to rotation, and then change indicator to here, and then click on swing. Very good. Now here, as you can see, we have the effect that name is rotation swing. We have two options, amplitude and frequency. Amplitude is used for how much you want effect in your object. For example, if we change it to 50 and change this frequency to 1. Frequency is used for speed. For example, if you want more speed and faster your object, you should increase this frequency, and for reduce speed you should reduce this frequency. Okay, now when we play that, as you can see, we have something like this. Now if we change it to 0.1, now when we play that, as you can see, it's slower. Okay, now for example, if we change it to and or 10, change it to 10. Now when we play that, you can see it's very fast. If you want, you can add this property to position or to scale. For example, here I want add to a scale. Select the scale and then add swing, and now adjust your amplitude and frequency. Now when we play that, you can see what's happening here. Again, you can change this amplitude or frequency and play that. It's very useful. Or you can again select another, for example position, select this, and again click on swing, and now increase that. Now when we play that, you can see now it's swing position and swing scale too. Okay.